Discover the world's most famous mosques. Timeless beauty across nations. Stockholm Grand Mosque, largest mosque for Swedish Muslims, Sweden. Warsaw Mosque, main Islamic center, Poland. Kolzarif Mosque, stunning white and blue symbol, Russia. Moscow Cathedral Mosque, grand and majestic, Russia. Lisbon Mosque, center of Muslims, in Portugal. Gazi Husrev Beg Mosque, Ottoman gem, in Sarajevo, Bosnia. Paris Grand Mosque, historic and beautiful landmark, France. Cologne Central Mosque, modern design, glass dome, German. Rome Mosque, the largest mosque in Europe, Italy. Cambridge Central Mosque, eco-friendly, green architecture, United Kingdom. Great Mosque of Khartoum, main landmark of the capital, Sudan. Tuba Mosque, Moorad holy site, full of pilgrims, Senegal. And Jamuna Grand Mosque, the largest in Chad. Kampala National Mosque, beautiful hilltop view, Uganda. Ridgeview Mosque, the largest and most majestic mosque in Zimbabwe. Koutoubia Mosque, Marrakesh icon, tall minaret. Great Mosque of Algiers, Africa's largest, modern design. Great Mosque of Jen, the world's largest mud mosque. Muhammad Ali Mosque, landmark inside Cairo Citadel. Al-Azhar Mosque, center of Islamic learning, over 1,000 years old. Sharif Mosque, colorful icon, symbol of Kazan. Bishk Central Mosque, Turkish gift, modern design. Hazrat Sultan Mosque, the biggest in Central Asia. Tila Kari Mosque, golden interior, shining beauty. Bibi Khanum Mosque, historic gem of Samarkand. Kipchak Mosque, massive white landmark, in Ashtabad. Itaewon Mosque, main Islamic center, in Seoul. Tokyo Kami, Ottoman-style masterpiece, in Japan. Icon Mosque, largest mosque in Xinjiang. Muji Mosque, the oldest in Beijing, Chinese style. Baitul Mukarram Mosque, national symbol, simple yet grand. Almar Ali Saifuddin Mosque, floating beauty, on water. Ubadiah Mosque, golden domes, royal architecture. National Mosque, modern design, with a blue dome. Istiqlal Mosque, the biggest in Southeast Asia. Beit Rahman Grand Mosque, symbol of resilience, after the tsunami. Tajul Masjid, one of the largest, in Bhopal. Jama Masjid, iconic Delhi landmark, built by Shahjahan. Bed Shahi Mosque, Mughal masterpiece, in Lahore. Faisal Mosque, unique tent-shaped design. Hassan II Mosque, tallest minaret in the world, facing the ocean. Grand Mosque of Kuwait, the nation's largest. Spiritual center, ancient heritage, classic architecture. Imam Ali Mosque, Shia holy site, covered with gold. Al Fateh Grand Mosque, Bahrain's largest mosque, marble beauty. Sultan Qaboos Grand Mosque, icon of Muscat, stunning design. Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque, white domes, modern architecture. Al-Aqsa Mosque, first Qibla, full of history. Al-Masjid an-Nabawi, holy mosque, resting place of Prophet Muhammad. Masjid al-Haram, the largest mosque, heart of Hajj. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.